The ring works?
That's right. Alright, here we go. Are they opposites or are they the same?
Opposites.
No, they're not opposites. Well, they're kind of opposite, right? They're opposite signs right here,
Opposite numbers.
but they're not opposite numbers, right? So, the key to this kind of problem, now I could multiply the top by 3 and the bottom by 8. Okay? Totally legal. However, I noticed something real simple here, Marcia, and that is 8 goes into 16 twice. But they're the same sign. So instead of multiplying this by just 2, I'm going to multiply it by a negative 2. And what that does is it makes it opposite sign and opposite number. Right? The key is to make this opposite. And I could make this opposite and this opposite by multiplying them by, again, 3 and 8. Then I have to change both equations. If I can do it by just changing one equation, it can go a little faster, right? Okay?
So are you multiplying by negative 2?
Yes.
Okay.
So negative 2 times negative 8 is
Positive 16.
negative 2 times negative 8 is,
Positive 16.
and negative 2 times negative 8 is,
Positive 16.
wow, all the same answer, right? So not that hard once you did one, right? Then bring this over. Negative 16x plus 3y equals 3. Okay? Add them up. These two are opposites, so they go away. Right, Marcia? Rebecca?
Yeah.
16 and 3.
19 1.
And 16 and 3? And then what do I do, Skylar? Divide by what? Skylar, it's not that hard.
This is easier to say I don't know.
Come on. It's really easy for me to say, well, I don't know. Right? But if you try, we're doing the same thing every time. Every time.
Dan, you mean give effort?
I have to give some effort. If I give effort, I might actually get something done.
What? No way.
I
I'm out of
swear.
here. I'm out of here if I got to give some effort.
If we could give as much effort as we do talk to each other back there, right, Rebecca and Marcia? We actually put that much effort into our paper.
Not hard.
Are we talking about effort?
This is pretty easy.
Like,
you know.
practice.
Practice?
Practice.
Talking about practice.
Right?
Practice?
So I'm always, when you see a number next to a letter, Jay, what am I going to do? Divide by? Perfect. What do I do to one side? Okay. Hey, Jay, were you able to do this at the beginning of the year? Was this something that came easy to you? Right? At first you had trouble with it, right? Yeah. Okay? He's like, yeah, I get it all the time, but now it's hard. No, the opposite, right, Jaden? It was like hard at first. It was hard. I watched. You guys were up here on the boards, man. Stuff was hard. But some of you have been working and working and working, and it's getting a lot easier. Okay? That's what I need to see. I'm not trying to, call you out or make you look stupid, as my daughter would say. Daughter's on this kick. I'm always making her look stupid because I'm calling her out.
Is that what she says?
Yeah.
Should get it back into that.
But the thing is I'm just trying to make you better. Okay? And I don't mean to call you out and make you embarrass you at all. I'm calling you out because I need your help. Okay? Help me. Help you. Right? Yeah? No? Okay. Get back to it. Y is 1. So plug it in. We've got to choose one of these. I don't care which one. Up or down?
Bottom.
Bottom?
I said, she said top.
She said top. Was she first? Okay, so she was first, I think. So,
Who's smart?
Negative 8 times 1 equals negative 8. Okay. So negative 8 times 1 is negative 8, right? I don't need that anymore. Okay. So what's the opposite of subtracting by 8? Or adding a negative 8? What's the opposite? Positive 8, right? So I'm going to add 8 to both sides. How much do I get?
0.
Okay, so x times anything is what? Or to get 0, 8 times 0, right? So I divide by negative 8, I still get x equals 0. What is my intersection?
0.
0
Other one.
and a 1. Okay? There it is. Okay? The next problem. Alright, I just need to figure out, does a 5 go into a 10 or does a 6 go into a 12?
They both do.
They both do, okay? So let's just get rid of one of them. First or second?
Second.
Second, okay?
Best.
It's kind of more difficult to deal with the second one, but whatever. I'll do it because it's fun. Alright, so how many times does 6 go into 12?
2.
2? Alright, are they the same sign?
Yeah.
So I got to make them opposite. If I have to make them opposite, that means this has to be a negative. Does that make sense? Remember, the very first rule was if they're the same, I make it opposite by a negative one. Okay? Now, if I got to make them opposite, I make a negative whatever number I'm multiplying by. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay? So what is negative 2 times negative 5?
Positive 10x.
What is negative 2 times negative 6?
Positive 12.
Sorry. And then what is negative 2 times 8?
Negative 16.
Okay, then bring this over, negative 10x minus 12y equals 16, okay? And I add these up. What happens? Nothing, nothing, nothing. Does nothing equal nothing?
No.
Yep.
Yeah, in fact you would say that they're the same, right? These two are the same, right? They are the same line. In fact, we call that, not parallel, sorry, they're not parallel. They're the same line, duh. Okay? So, they're like on top of each other. Remember?
For real?
Instead of parallels, they're lines that are drawn on top of each other. Yep. So, parallel, lines that are the same. They look, but there's two lines there. Okay? And it's just like if I do this. Okay? There's two lines
Messed
there.
up on it.
Just one's on top of the other. Okay?
It's not a straight line.
That's what happens when 0 equals 0. If 0 equals a number, like 5 or 6, right? Then they don't equal, right? So it's a no, and that's a parallel.
We have 1 minute.